Hi, good afternoon everyone. Today I'm gonna make a quick video on how to use the subquery in SQL. So this is basically used when you want to compare like the output of one value against something else. It just makes it easier if you use a subquery, right? I'll just give you a quick example. For example, you have a table which is table A, and it has got these three columns, which is ID, age, and salary. And let's say you have a scenario where you need to find all the salaries which are greater than the salary of ID number 3, right? So in such a scenario, first thing you would need to find what is the ID of, or rather what is the salary of ID number 3. Then you can compare that value against whatever you're trying to find, right? So let's start off with this subquery first, right? So like I just mentioned, you need to find what is the salary of ID number 3, right? So you would write select salary from table A where ID is equal to 3, right? So if you just run the subquery, you would just get select salary from table A where ID is equal to 3. So your output would be 4,000, right? Because the salary of ID number 3 is 4,000. So that would be the output of your inner query, right? Or yeah. So now you need to write a main query. So let's say you need to find the ID, age, and salary, or you could even use select star, right? They're the same thing. From table A, where, so this is the important part in subquery, right? So like we mentioned, the output of this inner query is an amount, right? So this would give you $4,000. So when you're comparing the inner query against the outer query, so you need to compare the same type of columns, right? Because this result you're getting is a salary, so you cannot compare that against ID or age, right? Because you get no results if you do that, right? So you just need to compare salary against salary, right? So where salary is greater than, right? So this should do it, right? So let's just quickly review. So you're basically getting the ID, age, and salary from this table wherever the salary is greater than, right? And that is comparing against this inner query. So essentially you're saying select everything from this table whenever the salary is greater than $4,000, right? So if you were to look at the output that you would get, so we can quickly look at what you'd expect, right? So if salary is greater than the salary of salary number 3, then you should return the value, otherwise nothing. So essentially these would be your results. So if you were to run this query, right, you'd get the salary of ID number 1, 4, and 5, right? So that is all I wanted to cover basically in this video. Just wanted to give you a quick idea on how a subquery works.